In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or merge sections in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. Organizing a survey or quiz can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you find your sections are cluttered or not structured the way you want. Thankfully, Google Forms makes it remarkably easy to manage sections, whether you need to delete a few or bring similar ones together. To get started, the first step is to open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. Once you get there, you'll want to sign in using your Google account credentials. This part is important, as you want to ensure that you're logged into the correct account, especially if you juggle multiple Google profiles for different tasks. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Forms homepage. Take a look around, and when you're ready, look for the option labeled Blank Form. Go ahead and click that. This will create a fresh new form, which we'll use for the demonstration. Now that we have our new form ready, we need to start adding sections. Look towards the toolbar that's typically found on the right side of your screen. You'll want to find the Add Section button. This is represented by a small icon that looks like two horizontal lines connected by another line. Click on that icon to create your first section. Once you've done that, click the Add Section button again to create a second section. Trust me, having multiple sections is crucial for this tutorial, since we'll be practicing how to merge them together. As you create these sections, you'll see they appear as distinct blocks within your form. This feature allows you to group related questions, making it easier for your respondents to navigate through your survey or quiz. Now that you have your sections in place, let's dive into how to merge them. Navigate to one of the sections you just created. In the top right corner of that section, you'll see three dotted lines. This is your section menu where all your management options are housed. Go ahead and click those three dots, and a small menu will appear with various options. From this menu, choose the option that says Merge with Above. Once you click this, your current section will combine with a section directly above it. This is particularly handy when you realize that two sections contain similar questions and would function better as a single unit. Now, all the questions from both sections will coexist together in one section, which significantly simplifies your form structure. But what if you decide that you no longer need a section at all? Don't worry, that process is equally easy. Again, click on those three dotted lines in the section you wish to remove. In the drop-down menu, select Delete Section. Keep in mind that this action is immediate and will remove the entire section along with any questions it contained, so make absolutely certain you want to delete it before confirming. And there you go, you now know how to efficiently manage sections in Google Forms. Whether it's merging related sections for a more cohesive experience or deleting those that are no longer relevant, you have the tools to streamline your forms effectively. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to leave a like and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.